It's New Music Friday, and Mystic Marley, the granddaughter of reggae legend Bob Marley, dropped her new single titled Sad Girls as her debut with Marley's Music Empire. Mystic is also gearing up to release a new album titled Oracle. On Wednesday, Mystic appeared on US Morning Show Today as part of their Women Are Essential series, where she spoke about her connection to her late grandfather and how honored she is to be a part of his legacy. Mystic is named after Bob Marley's hit single Natural Mystic. Now, legendary track star and record producer Usain Bolt today released his new rhythm dubbed Clockwork. The rhythm features top dancehall acts TJ, Chanel Muir, Charlie Blacks, Chris Martin, and incarcerated dancehall act Vybz Kartel. Usain shared this cover art for the rhythm with the simple caption, "Dear Music," in announcing the new project. Clockwork also features songs by Bibi, NJ, and Aji. It also comes months after several fans criticized his previous released track with NJ dubbed Living the Dream, and then his most recent track, Say Less. The new rhythm is the follow-up to Usain's immortal rhythm, which featured Vybz Kartel, Massacre, Ding Dong, DeMarco, among others. Now, Fame Frequency is calling all the dancers. The highly anticipated event will feature guest performance from Ding Dong Ravers, with DJ Narity, Arif Cooper, and DJ Xavier providing the much-needed entertainment during the weekend lockdown. So, dance crews, roll out and watch yourself at 9 p.m. on RETV, Fame 95 FM, and 1045 FM right here on TVJ. Now onto the international scene, where the entertainment fraternity was sent into mourning early today after news broke that American rapper DMX had died. A statement made by his family says that they're deeply saddened to announce the passing of their loved one, born Earl Simmons at the age of 50 at White Plains Hospital. His family was by his side after he was placed on life support for the past few days. DMX was hospitalized last week when he suffered a heart attack at his home in New York. DMX began rapping in the early 90s and released his debut project, It's Dark and Hell is Hot, in 1998. I'm Daytran reporting for ePrime. Have a safe weekend.